Hello, in this video, you have to solve minus 8 plus 8 times 2 divided by 4 divided by 2. So minus 8 plus 8, it will be equal to 0 times 2, and 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. So 0 binds 2 is equal to 0 by 2. Our answer will be equal to 0, which is incorrect. To solve this question accurately, first of all, we have to multiply and this deviate. Because these are two separate terms, it is in numerator and this is in denominator. So minus 8 plus 8 times 2, it will be equal to 16. And 4 divided by 2, it will be equal to 2. Now, minus 8 plus 16, it will be equal to plus 8 divided by 2. So 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4, which will be our answer. Thank you for watching.